Here we have a 67 plate Mercedes-Benz C350E AMG line Premium. Now with this vehicle you've got the 19-inch alloy wheels, all in excellent condition as you can see just there, complemented by the blue calipers just behind. Coming around to the front we've got the Panoramic style front grille, and as you can see the vehicle is all stealthed out, looks fantastic. Black Mercedes badging at the front just there as well. Coming around to this corner there's your second 19-inch alloy wheel. You've got a colour-coded wing mirrors, chrome door handles, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Coming to the rear, you've then got your third 19-inch alloy wheel. It's fantastic looking spoiler at the rear as well, which really sets the back end off nicely. How fantastic does that look? Now you've also got front and rear parking sensors as well as a reversing camera, black tip exhausts on either side. We've also got a power assisted tailgate, and as you can see the vehicle itself is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Now there is a closer look at your last alloy wheel, and let's head on to the interior next. Now as you can see we've got the full cranberry red leather interior, and how fantastic do these seats look. You've got the contrasting stitching throughout as well, ISO fixed points within the seats, integrated speakers on the doors with the fantastic wooden trim, electric window control and brushed metal handle. Going on to the front now, that same full cranberry red leather interior. Now both of these front seats are heated as well as electrically adjustable with the memory functions. I'm just going to step inside out of the rain. Unlock and lock button, electric window controls with child lock for the rear. You've also got your power folding wing mirrors just there as well. Now on the right hand side here you've got your auto lights, a button for your parking sensors to turn off the beeping, and you can access your 360-degree cameras just there as well. Going on to your view just here, of course we've got the multifunctional steering wheel with different controls for whilst we're on the go. We've got paddle shifters just behind for taking manual control of your gears. On the left hand side here you've got your speed limiter and cruise control stalk, as well as a stalk for the electrically adjustable steering wheel, meaning it's incredibly easy to get comfortable in this vehicle with the electrical adjustments on the steering wheel and of course your seats on the side just there. Coming into the centre, infotainment screen with features like satellite navigation, DAB radio, different forms of media connectivity, which I'll scroll through just there so you can have a look at what is on offer. Telephone connectivity as well. You've also got features like ambient lighting in here too, which looks fantastic at night time. Different driving modes there as well, as you can see on the display at the moment. And then if we put the vehicle into reverse, you'll see your reversing camera on the right and a top-down view on the left from the 360 cameras. We can access all of the different views like so as well. Now coming down you've then got your dual zone climate control, so you can control each side of the vehicle's temperature independently. As well as that you've also got shortcuts for the infotainment screen with the Mercedes clock in the centre. Below here two good sized cup holders, 12-volt connectivity and additional storage space. You've then got more shortcuts here like your dynamic driving modes. Of course we've got the suspension that we can raise just here, the 4MATIC suspension. We can also access our electric driving modes here as well, and of course volume wheel and power button for the stereo, for the infotainment screen should I say. Soft touch leather armrest in the centre which does double up as storage there too, and of course last but not least we've got the panoramic glass sunroof, which all works exactly as you would expect. I would give you a demonstration, but as you can see it is currently raining, so we'll have to save that for the next video. Now we are awaiting a full valet on this vehicle, and as soon as it gets one we will be filming a more in-depth video, so stay tuned for that one. But the vehicle is ready to drive away today with free next day nationwide delivery, competitive low finance, a fresh service, fresh MOT, and it's also HPI clear. Well, that is all from me on today's video. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this Mercedes-Benz C350E. Now the purpose of this video today is to show you that the car drives exactly how you would expect it to. For example, now I'm not having to wrestle with the steering wheel to keep the vehicle in a straight line. I'll also walk through some of the vehicle's features and demonstrate that they work exactly how you'd expect. Now starting off we have got both speed limiter and cruise control on each stalk down here. To activate cruise control I'll simply push up on that stalk, and when now cruising at our current speed. To change the speed, we can simply push up or down. It's simple as so. We can move in increments of 1 or to the nearest 5, and then to deactivate, we can either apply pressure to the brakes or simply push the stalk away. Now, gear changes, we're currently in 7th, down to 6th, 5th, 4th, 3rd, then up to 4th, and down into 3rd, and then back into fully auto. And as you can see through those gear changes there, completely seamless transitions, no jerky motions, no unwanted sounds, all working exactly as you would expect. Now, there are plenty of great features to talk about in here. Of course, on the infotainment screen, we've got loads of great tech like DAB radio, satellite navigation, Bluetooth phone connectivity, etc. The list goes on. Plenty of ways to listen to your music, and then we've got a lot of comfort in here as well, with the full cranberry red leather interior, electrically adjustable heated memory seats for the front passengers too, making it great for those long distance journeys. It's also just a really nice place to be in here, especially with the panoramic glass sunroof, letting in a ton of natural light. Now, here at RS Car Sales, we have been doing deliveries for the last 3 to 4 years, as well as offering free next day nationwide deliveries for the last 2 years as well. We're a 5-star dealership too. If you look online, we've got over 400 5-star reviews on Google and Autotrader alone, as well as many others on other car sites like Car Gurus. So if you go online and check out these reviews, you'll see that our customers really do reiterate the fact that we are a dealership that cares. We do really want you to have such a good buying experience from ourselves that you would recommend us to your friends, to your family, and even come back to us when the time is due for your next vehicle purchase. Now, just up ahead, I'm going to be taking a right turn into the industrial park where I'll perform an emergency brake, put a vehicle into reverse, and then also drive over a speed bump, just so you can see the car perform those tasks. So turning in just now, emergency brake in 3, 2, 1. There we go, very sharp on the brakes there with no problems at all. Straight into reverse, again, problem free. And then last test for the vehicle is of course driving over the speed bump here. There we go, completely free from any unwanted knocks or bangs throughout the entire journey, which of course you would be listening out for if you were here with me today. Now, this is usually where you'd be extremely happy with the vehicle. You'd want to come inside, see what kind of deal you could work out. Obviously, you're not here at the moment, but do feel free to get in touch. Appointments are welcome should you wish to come and view the vehicle in person. Part exchanges are also welcome. Just let us know the make, model and condition of the vehicle you are wishing to part exchange. And if there is anything we have missed in either the online photos, video walk around, or this video test drive, again, feel free to get in touch and one of the team would be more than happy to help you out. Now, that is all from me on today's video. Thank you for watching, and we'll hopefully hear from you soon. Cheers.